that one. They're going to check.
One.
Bit of luck, there'll be some honey in this one. There's bees up there, so I'm hoping there's going to be some.
Loads of bees.
Yeah, just a little bit in there. A lot of bees working it though, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
So we've got 1, 2.
So might as well leave that one then.
I'm going to clear it, mate.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I don't want to leave them with a super on because there's extra space to heat up and that in the winter. I want to get them down to a single.
What about the
box.
ivy flower? What's coming?
Yeah, well they'll stack. She'll slowly reduce line in the brood box.
Oh, and they can use
they
that for the
backfill.
cell. Yeah.
So that's what kind of goes on there. I mean, there's a few pounds in there. You'd be surprised. So, let's have a look. Good. Yeah, I'm putting the strips in tomorrow then, aren't I?
You're right with strips now. No, it's full, isn't it?
Yes.
Full of food. Yeah, plenty of food in there.
Right, let's crack it open in the middle.
So has them supers been on the same length of time as the other supers on the other hives?
No, I extracted some from this already.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So they're filling up that nicely. So they're reducing the hive, you can see.
So they don't need any food, do they?
Not yet. I mean, so they may do, I'll heft.
Yeah, you do in the winter, don't you?
Heft in the, next month and do it that way rather than doing inspections and all of them again like we've done last winter, if you remember.
Yeah.
Going through all again and I think it'd be a bit pointless. I mean, you know, you do your best. I mean, they're queen right now.
They should always be, shouldn't
Yeah. She's definitely got a queen, isn't quite calm. Yep, see plenty of eggs in there. Just see them. They're good. I mean, say they're queen right now, but come to spring, you get some drone layers. They slowly fade out during the autumn, winter. But you can only do, can't predict that.
No.
All you can predict is, are they laying okay? Are they, is enough bees and all that kind of stuff? And if there is, you can't do nothing else about it. You're always going to get your drone layers and perhaps a hive or two die in the winter, I think.
Well, you won't die, well?
I didn't lose any last winter, no, but so
Sure, as long as I've got food, I'll be alright, won't I?
yeah, enough bees.
Yeah.
Even when the queen fails, which I had last year into this year, even though the queen has stopped laying or she's failed or she's gone, whatever, there's still been enough bees to keep that cluster warm. So if they're full, as it can be, coming to winter or autumn, winter, then you're still going to retain them bees and then you can mix them with another hive in spring. So they still get a boost. So if you have a slightly weaker hive, nothing wrong with it, it's just slightly behind on the other hive, say a strong one, you could give these bees to that hive and the queen, so that's getting them nice and big. That's just what you want. You just need big hives. Because then, say, if you lose a queen, so what? The bees will get through the winter and then you can sort them out in spring.
Right.